In this video, I will show you how to use the commenting feature in Canva to save time and collaborate more effectively. Let's get started. I'm starting here on the Canva homepage, where I have a variety of design types to choose from. I'll click on the Facebook post category to see what templates are available. I'll take a moment to browse through the options until I find a design that works for my project. This pink and yellow illustrative quote template looks perfect. I'll click on it and then select the Customize this template button to open it in the editor. Once the design is ready, I can add a comment to share my thoughts or feedback. I'll move my cursor up to the floating toolbar at the top of the canvas and click on the Add Comment icon, which looks like a small speech bubble. Now, a text box appears where I can type my message. I'm going to type a note for the team, asking to add the color yellow on the background. Using comments is a great way to communicate changes or leave reminders for yourself without ever having to leave the app. Once I've finished typing my request, I'll click the purple Submit Comment button to post it. If I want to manage my comments later, I can click the 3 dots on the comment for more options. From here, I can edit, link to, or delete the comment. I'll go ahead and select Delete. A confirmation box will appear asking if I'm sure I want to delete the thread. I'll click Delete Thread and the comment is instantly removed. And that is how you use comments to stay organized while designing.